One day, everyone in the town got an invitation from the palace for the royal ball. We want to choose a bride for our prince and the future king. We invite everyone to attend the royal ball. Be here with your family. The king and queen wanted their son to choose his wife and future queen. Therefore, everyone was invited. The king and queen request the honor of your presence at the royal ball. Be there with your family. Reached Cinderella's house.
Halaga mo yan, Sir Truan.
Cinderella's stepmother instantly ordered Cinderella to design beautiful ball gowns for her and her daughters.
Magaling din yung baby. Yung malaki na yun, anak din ng baby. Kagulang yung baby niya.
I will make beautiful gowns for everyone. I hope Mama will take me along too. Her stepsisters gave her more household work to do. Her stepsisters secretly tore her dress. The stepmother gave her more household work to do, citing her incompetence in finishing the work on time as the reason they left her alone. Left alone in the house, I am your fairy godmother and I will help you. She waved her magic wand and converted Cinderella's torn dress pumpkin into a colossal coach and turned 6 rats into 4 horses. She also gave her a beautiful pair of glass slippers matching her dress. Now, Cinderella was all set to join the others. Thank you, Fairy Godmother. Now I can join my sisters and enjoy the ball. But before she left, the Fairy Godmother gave her one warning. My dear, you need to go back before midnight because my magic won't work after that. Cinderella nodded yes.
Saka yung confidence ng mga bata sa mga ganyan ay nabibilda. Nakasalo nila kumarap. Kahit ano, okay lang.
Ang galing yung mga tinawar naka-purple na yan.
Ang galing ito naka-purple.
Oo, naka-purple.
Karakter eh, no? Karakter eh. Parang yung kanina yung
At the party,
Bagay na bagay siya talaga sa stepsister.
karakter eh.
everyone was stunned to see Cinderella as she was the most beautiful girl at the ball. The prince fell in love the moment he laid eyes on her.
Pin na pin ni Luisa.
He instantly came and asked her to dance with him.
Ay,
Hi, my name is Prince. Can you be my date? It was like a dream come true for Cinderella. All the girls, including her stepsisters, were jealous of her. The prince and Cinderella conversed and danced the entire night until she realized the clock was reaching midnight. She rushed back home, leaving the prince in dismay. The prince ran after her, and one of her glass slippers dropped on the stairs of the palace. The next day,
Ano yung nakakuha ko ng
the prince decided to search the entire kingdom for the girl. Search every house and find me the girl whose foot will fit inside the slipper, as she would be my bride for life. The soldiers searched all the houses one by one. At last, they knocked on Cinderella's house. They asked the stepsisters to wear the shoes one by one. The evil stepsisters tried hard to squeeze her feet inside the slipper, but were useless. Then, it was Cinderella's chance to try the shoe. She was a perfect fit. The prince was cold and immediately recognized Cinderella from the ball night. I was looking for you. Now,
yes, it did.
I will not let you go. Will you marry me? Yes. Ecstatic Cinderella said yes instantly. Later, they got married in a grand ceremony and lived happily ever after.
mukhang ano sa oras.
What have you learned from the story? Me, I learned that from the story, always be kind,
Hindi ko na-start naman.
be patient.
Ay, sa
Me.
ano niyo pa ba?
I learned that you have to chase for your dreams.
Kasi strict sa tayo.
I also learned from the story
Oo, sige, go. Asan yung cellphone mo? Ito din, edit. 042609. Hindi ko yung namin-memorize.
that you have to trust,
Ilagay na natin dito, set up na. 0426. Isi-set up ko na siya dito. 0426.
one of the significant lessons or morals that you can learn from the story is that kindness is always rewarded in the end in
Di ba
one
mas
form
clear?
or the
Saan mas
other.
clear?
Another lesson of this fairy tale is that don't stop chasing for your dreams. And have trust.
Oh, strict sa